Can you see yourself in the 2021 Jeep Cherokee? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, lane keeping assist. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.